Where are we this morning? Good morning from a very sunny Salcombe. We've parked up this morning. We're going to do a 6-mile walk along the coast. We're not quite in Salcombe. Salcombe's more over here. We're at North Sands. It's where our walk starts. And we can explore some nice countryside and coastline. We've parked here. Just opposite North Sands. We'll be coming back to the coastline a bit later, because for now we're going inland. We seem to be heading up. Please drive slowly. Definitely around here in Devon country lanes. Stunning views and lots of thatched cottages on this first part of our walk. How pretty is that? Don't cross my path. So we're in the village of Combe at the moment. Very pretty it is too. We're in unowho. We're walking alongside a campsite. Not too busy at the moment. Probably will be as we
come back with our tent, shall we?
Yeah. As we approach spring, getting to spring and summer, I'm sure this place will be busy. You can see the ocean again just above the roofs. And we're heading to another village now called Harbour. It's a bit windy here. Shows you how high up we are. Another very pretty cottage. And I think this is where we turn left. Link to coast path. That's the way we're going. What a walk. We've finally reached the coastline. Done the inland part of our walk. Very nice it was too, with all those cottages and little villages. But now we've got the coastline to enjoy. How was that then? That was built in 1794? So how was that then? Over 200 years old. That is over 200 years old. It was a signal station when they used to look out for the French fleets. And
like the Channel Coast.
gosh. Was so? Perhaps it's a barn.
We used to have that steeply bit and a barn to live in.
Oh. And now it's a piece of history. Which way, Elaine?
Left.
Left.
Left to Salcombe.
Oh yeah, it says Salcombe, doesn't it, as well? Bolt Head and Salcombe. We're going that way. Enjoy some coastline views. This is amazing. Do you want to see a nice view? There you go. Time for a spot of lunch.
Not a bad picnic spot.
No, not bad at all. Down there is Steeple Cove. It's another stunning place. We are heading that way though. We've eaten, enjoyed the views. Now our hike continues. Along here is Bull's Head, one of the main attractions on this walk. And while we're here, we're just going to find ourselves a quick geocache. Yay! Rest, and over there she's admiring Sharp Tor. Wow, look at those waters. How blue are those waters? It's mid-March. How lucky are we? There is Salcombe. I'm going to pop into Salcombe a little bit later. Now down at South Sands. The Bluff. And here's South Sands, and beyond it North Sands, where our car's parked. Follow the sign for Salcombe. Back down to North Sands. Right, we thought we'd walk into Salcombe itself, have a wander around.
Never been before, have you?
Do you know, we haven't, have we?
Never been.
And we've picked a glorious day to walk in.